What's up, you guys? I'm back again. And as per request, I'm here to give you another hair tutorial. So a lot of you guys messaged me about the hair that I did for one post that I did, which is this. Yeah, skip it on there. So basically, it's the Fingerwaves hair that I did to myself because I was bored, and I am locked down here for 50 something days, I think. I don't know. Alam ko lang gabi na ngayon. But anyway, it's a really easy hairstyle that you guys can do at home. Pang TikTok, pang Instagram, why not? Because it keeps us busy, and also it's also like really nice to learn new stuff. So let's do it. Basically, for this hairstyle, you will need a gel, like any gel that you need, that you can find. Really, like kahit yung mga gel na nasa lag na naman. Nasa sachet, yung parang nata de coco. Yung gel na nasa sachet. You can use that, and then I'm using this cheap one also from Japan, I think. Hindi ko na maalala sa kung siya binili. But I'm using this one. I just found it laying around. Not this one kasi this is super hard. Maybe for an event this is good. But this is super good for laying edges as well. So if you want like, and laying edges for wigs, maganda rin to. So that, your gel, or you can use a mousse. If you have a mousse laying around na you can use that for this hair as well. And then water spray na parang pang kids. And then a comb. I'll have this one, and I'll try this one as well. And then this one is for the eyebrows, I think. You can use that, or you can buy this one. They have it in Shopee and Lazada. This is for laying edges, a specific comb for that. Or if you don't have those, you can use a regular old toothbrush. And this is optional. If you have like clips that you can use, have these. You don't need to use this, but I'll try. Last time I didn't use it, so it came out fine. And then clips, more clips. So yun lang. Basically, you need water, gel, toothbrush, comb, and you're set. So first of all, let's remove the cap. And this is my hair now. It's super long kasi I can't cut my hair by myself. And also, the natural wave of my hair helps. If you have wavy hair, it's nicer to have wavy hair. If not, it's okay as well. Medyo mas mahirap lang siyang i-manage if you have really straight hair. So first of all, you need to wet your hair. Not my face, but I need to wet my hair. There you go, and it's all wet, as you can see. Now we can be dirty and put the gel all over. So there are no rules on like how to put on a gel. Just put it all over your hair. Put a decent amount in your hand and then spread it a bit. And just put it all over your hair. You might need quite a bit more than usual because you want the style to really stick, and you want your hair to follow the waves that you're gonna do. Now that it's all gelled out, we just need to take our comb and then set our part. I wanted a part to go from here to and make a C, like that, so that it's not straight, and then kasi tumataas na yung hairline, so we can cover that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Then brush it back, keep it out of the way because we're doing this section first. Okay, so I'm gonna use my toothbrush to put more gel into the smaller hairs and into my forehead. And that's the brush na. No. So put this there to lay down your edges. Yeah, that's fine. And then get your comb. So I wanted to put that away first, put that down, and then you want to push this backwards, comb this part backwards, and then put your finger here to keep that in place. And then this is how you do it. This is the trick. So you get your comb and then take the hair from the back and then you push it forward and then you press your finger while doing it. And then comb all the hairs going towards your face. So you made your first wave. Can you see? Yeah, so there. Oh, I messed it up. So anyway, you can like still fix that because it's wet. The gel really helps, and then the water, if it's wet, it helps because you can redo it over and over again until you're happy. Depends on how big the wave you want, or how small or how tight the wave that you want. So let's put that in place, and then once you've made that, you press your finger to the wave that you did, and then you push it backwards now. And there you go. For the baby hair, take your toothbrush, put some gel on it, not toothpaste. Then you can place your baby hair where you want it. This one, I wanted my baby hair to go forward a bit more, so the wave is more dramatic and it frames the face more. Lumiliit yung boses ko. Just continue to play and then place your hair while it's wet. And then for my, what do you call this? My patilya. I just wanted to go forward. So there you go. Wait, tama ba? Wait, the video I did another one in the video. Wait. Oh, I did this. I did two, okay. So, just get more gel. If you mess up, well, I mess up too. Get that piece of hair. Sometimes I just put on a lot of gel so that it sticks to your face easier. There. I think it's almost the same as the one I did before. I like it this better because Takpan niyo yung forehead ko. Receding hairline. No! Matanda na. Before may buhok yan. Nagpa-bleach lang ako ng hair before. Naging ano na, nakalbo. So, goodbye. So, done with that side. I didn't do the back because it wouldn't be seen anyway. But if you want to do the whole head and then also at the back, you may need some help because even for me, I'm a hairstylist and I couldn't do my backside. So you're not alone. Anyway, this part. So I'm going to wet it a little bit more so that it's workable. As you can see, I didn't like use the clips, but if you want to use the clips and then pin it down, you can pin it down. Use this one here to make it more flat and for it not to move. Also here, put it this way. There we go. And then for this side, I want this part to go up, back. Basically just push your hair back first. Need more gel. More gel. See that? Lumipad. Lumipad siya. Okay, so basically we're just doing the same thing. And then I'm making a bigger wave, so push it back. And then place your hand where you want the wave to be and then comb it the other way, forward. There you go, and then you can place a clip there and then press your hand on the wave. You're gonna put the next one in and then push it back. I want this one to be a little bit tighter. I'm trying to make it smaller as the other one. Okay, one more because it didn't hold well. So there, and then place your finger. All emo. Place your finger here and pull it up. There you go. And then push it. And do push it a bit for more drama in the face. You want to frame the face nicely. There we go. It's our first wave. You can also pin that in. And then hold it right up here and then push it back out into your parang okay na nga yan. Cute. But I didn't make this part because it won't be seen. I just wanted to be the front part to it. Place your clips. And for the patilya, for the sideburns, just get my toothbrush and brush my teeth. No, I'm kidding. Just make a cute little wave. Your sideburns. There we go. Just need to let it dry and set.
Meanwhile. Eventually.
So here we are, it's all dry and set. And I think it looks great. What do you think, guys? Put it on the comments below. So I hope you guys learned something today with me. If you guys want any tips or if you want me to see your works, why not? Tag me on Instagram. Sige, okay lang. And I think this looks great. This is better than the one I did before. It's really cute. You can play around with the shapes of your edges. You can do like wave up to here in the middle. You can do variations, why not? It's just really cute. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button below and hit the little bell below as well for YouTube to notify you if I post any more videos soon, I hope. And also, I hope you are safe and sound inside your houses and learning something new, and I hope I spread some good vibes and some good learnings to you guys. So with that, goodbye.